Hello everyone, I'm Satvika. I'm studying in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. I'm from CSM department and today I'm gonna give you a video presentation on understanding homographs and homonyms. Let's see what the homographs and homonyms are. Here are the contents we are going to learn today. Introduction to homographs and homonyms and their examples, their uses and etc. Let's start with a brief introduction to homographs. What the homographs are. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings and may have different pronunciations. Like here we can see the example LEAD, lead, which can mean to guide, and another meaning is a type of metal. And let's see how the contextual uses in sentences. Understanding how to use homographs in context is crucial for clarity. For instance, I can't bear the weight. I bear the responsibility. Here, bear illustrates different meanings based on context. And let's see the examples of homographs and their uses. The first one is always back yourself. Here, the meaning of back is to support. And the second is I'm feeling pain in my back. And here, the meaning of back is back of vertebrate. The second one is he is looking cool. That means looking handsome. And the second one is but my room was very cool. It shows the low temperature. And the third, match the columns. Here match means to join. And Pakistani team won the match. The another meaning of match is game match. Let's see the introduction to homonyms. What the homonyms are. Homonyms sounds alike but have different meanings such as bear and beer. We actually spelled it like beer, but when it comes to homonyms, both are bear and bear. Their pronunciation is identical, which can lead to confusion in spoken language. So let's know the clarifying meaning through context. Using homonyms effectively requires contextual clues to avoid misunderstandings. For example, the bark of the tree and the dog's bark. Here the bark shows different meanings and determines different meaning. Let's see the examples of homonyms. The first one, scale. She measures it with the weighing scale. Here scale determines the weighing mission. And most bony fishes are covered with the cycloid scales. And next, sink. The sink is in the kitchen. Coins sink in the water. And ship. They travel by ship. Here the ship is noun, which is a thing to travel in water. And we ship books out to New York every month. Here ship means shipping to somewhere, shipping to some place, transferring like. And next, tie. Hope so the game will tie among them. And the another meaning of tie is he always wears a shirt and tie. Next, let's see the definitions and differences overview. What are homographs and what are homonyms? Here we can see the overview of homographs and homonyms. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings and may have different pronunciations. And homonyms are words that sound the same or are spelled the same but have different meanings. They can create ambiguity, making context essential for understanding. Finally, we have gone to it's summary. It's time to summary. Finally, it's time to summary. Homographs are strictly defined by their identical spelling. They may or may not be pronounced the same way. And homonyms can have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. And this context is essential for understanding the intended meaning of these homographs and homonyms. Hope you all understand and thank you. This is Sadvika.